This is a guided meditation designed to help you relax and deeply fall asleep. First, you will need to find some place comfortable, adjust the lighting, and prepare to fall asleep. Allow yourself the time to get truly comfortable. If you are already feeling situated, you may begin breathing comfortably in through your nose, breathing in to a count of 4 in your mind, letting it out on its own naturally. As you begin to relax, letting go of any tension, and as you notice your breathing, allow the breathing to go on naturally now on its own, allowing the air to fill your lungs deeply as if the universe is breathing for you, letting it flow out comfortably on its own. For a moment, just let there be quiet. Now, just like taking off your shoes and leaving them at the door, leave the past outside. Leave aside all thoughts that may appear in your mind. Leaving out any concerns about the future. Leave everything aside. Now imagine in your mind that just in front of you there is an elevator door. When you are ready, go ahead and press the button. When the elevator arrives and the doors open, you may visualize the inside to be as comfortable as you like. You may even find the perfect place to lie down and feel warm. As the door opens, take your time to go inside and feel completely safe and comfortable, leaving all concerns, tensions, and everything outside. Begin to see yourself inside this perfect elevator that is just for you. It will always be the right temperature here, and there is nothing to do. There is no place to go. For a moment, be silent and empty. As you relax now, does your elevator have any windows? What sort of view do you see? Look and see. We will be taking this elevator, opening up deeper as we go, finding ourselves in the most perfect place you want to imagine. As you begin to drift to sleep, where would you like to dream? What would you like to experience within your special place? Or just a nice, quiet place to be alone and sleep? Take a moment to get comfortable in your elevator. When you are ready, I will begin to count from 10 down to 1. As we go down into relaxation, feel free to drift into sleep at any time. 10. Feeling very relaxed now. Sensing the elevator begin to take you down slowly, comfortably. 9. Your legs feeling warm and heavy. 8. Deeper and deeper down. More and more relaxed. 7. Any stress in your hips melting away. 6. Letting go. Leave the spaces empty. 5. The shoulders and neck relaxing further. The muscles in the face gently letting go. 4. There's no need to hold on to anything. Let there be quiet. 3. Leave the spaces empty. 2. 1. If you like, you may stay here, right where you are. Or feel free to go out of the elevator and find a place you have waiting to truly find comfort. Anywhere you go, you will discover it is exactly the way you would have wanted. This place is yours. Your own private place to be completely at rest. You may stay as long as you like.